What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm participating in a challenge called the Super Fantastic, Awesome, and Spectacularly Creative Art Challenge, hosted by Susan's Creative. A link to her channel will be in the description box. So I took some measurements and went to Home Depot and got these boards cut to size. And I'm just painting them completely black here. I'm using some silver glitter and some silver metallic paint, as well as this wooden dowel and this paintbrush to make an abstract piece of art. I don't know if this qualifies as super fantastic, awesome, or spectacular, but I thought the post date was a little bit later in the month, so I had something else in mind, and I really wanted to participate, so I kind of just came up with this at the last minute. So I'm just trying this out, and keep watching if you want to see what I do with these boards after. And after I got it how I wanted it, I added the glitter. And then on the second board, I'm starting to run out of paint, but I'm trying to make it work. And then I add the glitter here because I figured that I didn't have any more paint left. So then I sprayed it down with a Rust-Oleum spray. It's like a clear gloss. It's a protective layer. And then while that was still not completely dry, I added these little glitter flakes. And then I went and got some white paint because I figured it still just needed a little something else. So here I'm just adding some more fuzzy lines, I guess you can call them. And this is the final result. Okay, so this is where the artwork is gonna go. I measured out the bookshelf that I needed, and you know, this is one of those old bookshelves that you can find at Target or Walmart. And for now, I have one on this end of the mantle and the other one is over here. And these came with the normal cardboard backing. One of them, I guess, got messed up and I took it off. I just recently took off the backing of that one. Without the backing, the shelf is unstable. And that's how it is. And with these boards, it's gonna strengthen it. It's even stronger than the cardboard that it would come with. So since this is my temporary setup until I figure out what I really want here, I want to make it look artistic, I guess is the best way to describe it. And then you'll see how it looks once these pieces are added. And I just wanted to point out that this type of decorative look can be added to any bookshelf. You can use wallpaper, you can use scrapbook paper, you can use any kind of painting pattern to just put something behind the books or anything that you have on a shelf. I just chose to make this abstract art to go along with this challenge, but again, you can use anything.